Hey, what's cracking, everybody? This video I'm making here is just to let everyone know that LinuxHub Prime version 2.0.1 official is now released. So if you go to the website, there's links for the downloads already set up. So everything is set up on the page, and this video here is going to replace this video that's actually right here right now, but I'll do that once I'm done recording the video. And then for those of you that for some reason want to get the beta builds, I did put a link right here for all the beta builds, so you can still grab the beta builds. And of course, all the legacy builds can be found here. So all of the links can still be found, all of the versions. You can still download any version you want. But version 2.0.1 official is now officially released. And here is the links for them. All right. So it's not really much changes to it from the beta builds, but there are some minor changes that we'll go through right now. So let's head on over to a virtual machine so we can take a look at the changes that I've made to the official release. So we're here at the virtual machine right here, and you can see from the boot up screen, I just changed a few images here. So there's not much to see here. Just changed images, which it's not really much. So let's just go ahead and boot this up. So we go through the ISO and see what all it has to show and the differences. All right, and we have the ISO booted up. As you can see, pretty much everything still looks the same right here. So you get the same screens that usually come up. So from right here, we'll just click on proceed. And probably one of the only changes right here, well, there's a couple. One of the first changes is going to be the image right here. Just basically change that up. And there's an extra button right here that says custom, build it yourself. So this basically it's just the Arch install script without any edits whatsoever. There's no builder on here. There's nothing. It's just regular Virgin Arch install. So if you choose this option, let me click on it. All it's going to do is open up Arch install, and you can just build it your own. Make whatever you want to make with it. Choose whatever desktop you want to choose. Choose whatever programs you want to choose. Choose anything you want to choose right here, and you just basically make it your own. So nothing's predefined right here on this one right here. On the custom, nothing is predefined. You are going to set this up all by yourself. So it's just like downloading the Arch ISO and just using that basically. So that's all it is. It's nothing special about it. Nothing. I mean, you could just download the Arch ISO and do the same thing that you could do right here. But I just added that option on there just so it can be there. There's just another option amongst all of the plenty options that are on here. So, from right here, if you wanted to do the Arch install, just click on it, select your language, select your mirrors, get your mirror region, wherever part of the world you're at, you select it, you go from there. And the next option is the locales. They're pretty much defined when you select your region, but if you need to change them, you could go into there and just make the changes yourself. You go back, and then the disk configuration, pretty much the same as anything else. Select what it is you want to install, which drive you want to install it to, and you're pretty much done with it. Then on the next selection is your bootloader. So if you want to change the bootloader, you can go into here, select grub, and I guess it's Limine or Limine, whatever it is. You can just choose whatever one it is you want to choose. I'll just leave it on grub. Swap, if you want to change the swap, go in there, yes or no. Pretty straightforward. Host name, if you want to change the host name, select it. Select your desired host name, and go from there. And then set up your root password, user account, profile, audio, kernel, additional packages. Pretty much you use this to set up your entire desktop. This is the custom version, so you set it up the way you want to set it up. So like in profile, you'll go into profile, select type. If you want a desk type, if you want to make it minimal, just server, Xorg, whatever it is you want to do. That's basically the only thing that the custom thing does for you. It's basically setting up the Virgin Arch install script, so you can set it up any way you want. But I'll go ahead and I'll abort this and get back to the installer itself. So, like I said, everything's pretty much basically the same. It's just that every comment that I had where there was an issue, pretty much went and fixed it. So it's all fixed. So from here, you can just do what you want with it. If I see more comments or more issues that anyone finds, please let me know, and I'll go ahead and I'll deal with them. All right, so I just want to let you guys know that version 2.0.1 official is now released. So you can go ahead and download it from SourceForge and play with it, see what you come up with. All right, you guys, that's going to do it for this video, and I'm out.